Step 1 is pretty much write, write, write. Again, it should be on paper with a pen or a pencil. It doesn't have to be good, it doesn't have to rhyme, there doesn't have to be any structure, but just get it out. Step 2 is strum. I find a chord or chords that I can repeat easily, and lately I've been really on this bar chord kick. It's about you finding a strategy that'll work for you in the long term. Step 3 then sounds a little philosophical. It's where you step aside and let the music invite the words into the song. That means if you feel like you're forcing stuff just to make them fit, you're probably in the way. I realize this is pretty vague guidance, but it kind of has to be. That's what makes it so magical and rewarding. In my opinion, it's one of the best rewards there is.